we are on the SS Minnow. We're taking what's called a FunCat around the lake that you just saw a second ago. We're at the Catamaran Resort and Spa. So we're gonna go enjoy ourselves. Oh yeah, it's like a giant lounge chair with a motor. That's essentially what it is, a giant lounge chair with a motor. We're gonna lounge. Okay, paddle boats are for idiots. This is just like, we are just cruising along, singing a song, relaxing, watching a sailboat go by. For an hour, we're just gonna kick it. We're gonna kick it. There's my beverage while we're sitting on the lounger, enjoying the beautiful 75-degree weather, I would say. Near collision. Near collision. All surfboards. You can see it close. And on a scale of 1 to 10 of things to do in San Diego, this is a 10. No doubt about it, you gotta do it. Okay, it's the junior lifeguard camp. Is what we're seeing all these kids in the yellow and the red. It's a shark. The little lady. Okay, this is what empty nesting is all about.
Would you care for a liquid beverage?
Liquid refreshment. I was thinking the exact same thing. He looks like something out of a superhero movie. Baby sailboat. Okay, we're approaching docking station. We've been gone almost an hour, and it feels like nothing. It's been a relaxing, enjoyable day so far. See how exhausted our feet are as we approach the deck.
The blisters.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Oh yeah.